Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, we'll be delving into the world of the Filestack Image Captioning feature. Image Captioning is an exciting intelligent service that enables you to generate descriptive captions for your images. Whether you're looking to add context to your visuals or improve your content management workflows, Image Captioning has you covered. Let's jump in and explore the capabilities of this powerful tool. Image Captioning is a sophisticated feature offered by Filestack that employs advanced algorithms to describe the content of your images. Imagine having the ability to automatically generate informative captions for your visuals, making them more inclusive and informative. This feature leverages attention networks to analyze the key elements of an image and accurate, concise descriptions. With image captioning, you can bridge the gap between visuals and textual context, opening up new possibilities for content creation and sharing. And now let's explore how to use the image captioning feature in your project. To access this feature, you can utilize the Processing API by invoking the caption task. This task enables you to generate captions for your images. You'll need to use your security policy and signature for authentication. And then you can use the following API endpoints. You can check the caption of a previously uploaded file using its handle. Also, you can check captions from external URLs. And additionally, if your image is stored into a personal cloud service like Google Cloud or maybe into a personal Amazon S3 bucket, you can use the storage alias feature from Filestack to actually check the caption of that image, and this will return the caption of your image, enhancing its descriptive value. Once you have executed the caption task, you'll receive a JSON containing the generated caption for your image. The response will be in JSON format and will include the caption parameter, which holds the descriptive text. This caption provides a succinct and accurate description of the content within your image. The response can be directly integrated into your applications or workflows for seamless content management. And now, integrating image captioning into your workflows is a breeze. If you are using Filestack workflows, you can access the image captioning task within the Intelligent Tasks category. This opens up exciting possibilities for automation and content enhancement. By combining image captioning with other tasks, you can create intelligent workflows that streamline your processes and add valuable context to your media assets. And well, after executing the image captioning tasks within your workflow, you'll receive a response similar to what we discussed earlier. This response can play a pivotal role in guiding the subsequent tasks in your workflow. Additionally, you can leverage webhooks to receive real-time updates about task execution. The webhook payload will contain information about the workflow result, status, and more. This feature revolutionizes the way we communicate visually. By pairing images with concise, informative captions, we bridge the gap between visuals and context, and this empowers us to convey messages accurately and connect with our audience on a deeper level. And well, incorporating this powerful feature into your marketing strategy demonstrates your brand's efforts to create content that resonates with everyone. It also provides an opportunity to leverage the power of storytelling, as captions can add an extra layer of narrative to your visuals. And integrated, well-crafted captions make a powerful impact of our content. It contextualizes our visuals, making them more relatable and engaging. Whether it's for personal projects or commercial endeavors, image captioning empowers us to make informed choices and deliver messages effectively. And now we are going to test the requests that we can make using the image captioning task. First, we are going to check the caption description from an image that was previously uploaded into our Filestack account. For this, we are going to need the handle of the file. So we are going to move to our developer portal and to our content browser. Here I'm going to pick an image, for example, an image of myself, and I'm going to copy its handle and paste it into a request. Additionally, we need a policy and a signature, so we can generate those credentials into the security panel from our developer's portal. Here, I'm going to give all the permissions for my policy. In this case, I will select all of them, and we need to select additionally an expiration date for the policy. Then I'm going to copy and paste the policy and signature into a request. And that's it. Easy as cake. We have the description of the image. The description is a man wearing a suit and a tie, and it's a perfect description for the image that I uploaded. And now we are going to test the second request using an external URL. For this, we need our Filestack API key and again the policy and signature credentials. So I'm going to copy these credentials and paste it into the request. And we can find our API key into our developers portal. And now I'm going to search an image from internet. For example, an image of a bird, perhaps. I'm going to pick one image and copy its URL. And that's it. We get a small bird sitting on a branch. As we can see, it's a perfect description for the image. And finally, we are going to test our last request using storage aliases. This means that I will check the caption for an image into a personal cloud service. In this case, my personal S3 bucket. And once again, we need the Filestack API key, the security credentials. So I'm going to copy and paste them again. And you can configure your storage aliases from your developers portal into the storage aliases panel. You can find more documentation about this into the Filestack documentation webpage. Here I have already registered my personal S3 bucket with a specific alias. So I'm going to copy the alias and paste it into my request. And finally, we need to add the path to the file. So here I'm going to select my personal bucket, and I'm going to select an image. In this case, I'm going to pick this one. It's an image of a dog. So I'm going to copy this path and paste it into my request. And that's it. A large brown dog lying on the grass. That's a perfect description for the image. And that's it. Right now, we already have seen how the Filestack Image Captioning task works perfectly using all the API requests. And now, we are going to test the image captioning feature using workflows. So for this, we are going to move to our workflows panel into our developers portal. And here, we are going to create a new workflow. We are going to give it a name, Image Captioning Workflow, for example. And now, we are going to select the caption task from the intelligence section. And that's it. Easy as cake, we have already finished our work. So right now, I can copy and paste the picker configuration to make this run into a file picker interface. And now I can paste these store options into my code. If you don't know how to make this, there is a video explaining how to do it step by step. But actually, if you want to save time, there is a tool developed by Filestack named Snap Filestack. With this web tool, you just need to copy and paste your API key, and you can automatically generate the code for the picker, and a lot of more features from Filestack. Here you can personalize your picker as you want, but in this case, I will keep it simple. So right now, I can copy and paste this code, and that's it. Our picker configuration is already finished. Now, I'm going to copy and paste the store options with the workflow ID. And that's it. Just copying and pasting a few lines of code, we have already our picker configured and running. So right now, I'm going to test our program, and I'm going to upload a sample image. And here into our endpoint, we are going to receive the response from the workflow. I'm going to copy and paste this into a JSON beautifier for a better understanding. Here, we are going to have all the information from the workflow and the tasks. Here we can see the workflow, the job ID, the dates, and here we can see the caption information with the description of the image. A large brown dog lying on the grass. That describes perfectly the image that we uploaded. And that's it. Easy as cake. We have already configured a workflow with the image captioning task. And that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.